These RV lights are pretty cool. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of these magnetic, rechargeable RV lights. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. There is 3 of them that comes in the package, and we've been charging up a couple of them. You get all 3. You also get 3 charging cables. Everyone comes with a charging cable, and then it also comes with these little magnets that in a minute here we're going to show you. You can stick onto here, so then it magnets to the step of your RV, which we'll show you momentarily, but also it comes with these little pieces of metal, so you can undo these strips and you can stick these like underneath your cabinet. So if you wanted, you could take this and you could also stick it under your cabinet. So it gives you a lot of different uses for these, which I really, really like. You can see the sensor on here. We're going to put the magnets on here. We're going to charge them up and we're going to show you what they do. So I thought this was kind of cool. Look at that. This one's not charged yet, but if it was charged, we could have a light underneath our microwave if we wanted to. So we're going to charge these and then show you guys all the different options they have. I missed the metal part.
I'd say that's actually pretty nice because it does have a light.
Right.
That gets really hot.
That does get really hot. So this will probably be nicer. And we can make it so that it comes on by motion. So if we get up and we walk through, it can turn on. Yeah, it's got a bunch of different settings.
I think I did it. Short press.
Yeah.
I can't hit it.
Oh.
So now it's on light sensing or motion sensing.
Motion sensing, but motion sensing in the dark.
Probably.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I think it's only going to come on when it's dark.
Right.
So. Which
is also nice because it means the lights won't be on the steps of the RV all night long.
Right. Yeah, just short press, it comes right on.
That's pretty cool. Okay, we'll show you them outside. Okay, so we're going to go through the settings real quick on this. There's a button on the side that Jamie's pushing.
I'm just holding it so I don't push it.
So that's how bright they get. You push and hold the button and it can make it brighter and dimmer, which that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's nice when it's really dark at night and you don't need a lot of light. You just want to know where your steps are.
Right.
And then, let's see. I don't know if it'll sense. I don't
think it's dark. We can do that when we take it outside.
So it's just got the 2 modes.
Yep. But the fact that you can dim it is pretty cool.
Yeah.
So we have put 2 of the lights. You can see one there. You can see one under here.
It's hidden.
It's pretty hidden. They're underneath the step. That's so cool. And it's just magneted on there. Mm-hmm. And it lights everything up. I'll back up a little bit. That's pretty cool. And considering our step light is very dim, I love that.
Yeah, we just have the one yellow light somewhere.
I absolutely love this.
Yeah, that is nice.
This is really nice. Makes it nice and easy to see the RV step in the dark, that's for sure.
And they are motion sensitive.
Yeah, so they will. See how that one shut off? Now watch. That one shut off. And there, I turned it back on. So as soon as I got close to it, it turned back on. I should have let them both shut off.
Yeah, the other one might be sensing us moving around too.
Oh, so. Yeah, you're right. We'll give it a second. Okay, you can see it's super dark. I'm going to walk up to the RV. There they go. That's pretty cool. Turns on as soon as I got close. I can see what I'm doing. Oh, there's the other one. I didn't get close enough for the other one.
I did.
Oh, how cool. Well, if you are looking for a way to light up your RV steps or anything with a little motion light with a magnet on the back of it, honestly, this has a lot more uses than just the RV.
Yeah, I was thinking for the 3rd and extra one.
Right.
We could just take it with us for bathroom light.
Yeah, that's kind of the nice thing about it because it just pops on with a magnet.
Yeah, it's like a little nightstick.
Yeah.
Nightlight stick.
Power goes out. Look, as long as it's charged, you got some light.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
I don't think any of this is metal.
No.
But
That's
this
not.
is.
Yeah. Yep, that is. You need some extra light while you're out camping? There you go.
Yeah.
We definitely approve of this.